Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to your Shopify store step by step. If you follow exactly what I do, your domain will be connected in less than 3 minutes. Alright, from the Shopify dashboard we click on the settings and then we click domains. The domain section will provide us with 3 options: buy new domain, transfer domain, or connect an existing domain. We click the connect existing domain and put in our domain name here. So let's go to Namecheap dashboard. From the dashboard we will select which domain we need to transfer to Shopify. So we find the domain and we copy it so that there are no typos. Once we copied the domain, we click the manage button against that domain and that will lead us to this page. So some very important settings needs to be done on this one. First, we need to check the name server. This should be set to Namecheap basic DNS. Now let's head back to Shopify. Put in our domain name, press next. Now Shopify will provide us with a few options here. So there are 2 records, A record and C name record. We need to add these 2 records to our domain in order for it to connect to the Shopify store. So let's go back. We just need to make sure that the name server is set to Namecheap. I am emphasizing on this again because most of the people they skip this process. Once this is done, let's click on advanced DNS and here we will put in our records. We have an A record first, so let's click on add new record, select the A record. For the host we need to add the name. The name is @ and for the value we need to put in the new value. So let's copy this, paste it here, select the TTL to 60 minutes as this is what is recommended by Shopify. The second, we have the C name with the name www. So let's save this, click on add new record, find C name, put in the host value and then put in the new value, shops.myshopify.com. Let's copy this and paste it here, set the TTL to 60 minutes and save. Alright, so everything is done. It's time to verify. It usually takes like around 2 to 3 minutes, so we need to wait for a little while and then we press the verify button. So once the verification is done, we will see our domain listed. And that's it. You have successfully connected your Namecheap domain to your Shopify store. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching